particular thing to get rid of the outline, or you can go here and get rid of the outline. Choosing none means no outline, and that is the trick for getting rid of the outline. Now I have to duplicate by pressing plus on the keyboard, just getting rid. You see, now I have a duplicate second layer. I can just expand it here and then click on my curve 2 and then press Ctrl Q to activate the curve. Watch it carefully. I decided not to talk much because I want you to rather focus on the designs instead of what I'm saying, because it can confuse you. Now I give this a background color of black, and then right click it and power clip. Then you go to the first layer and then right click on it. Now it's power clipped. Now let's edit it because I want to push it to the end of it here. Yeah, I want it to be here. And that is it. So I would duplicate this layer, and sorry, I didn't duplicate. I'll duplicate. It's duplicated now, and I'll give it this color. I duplicate it again and give it black because the design, I want to create some nice design. I press it again, get red here, give it this color, press it here again and give it black background again. Now I have to right click and then finish editing the power clip content. Now where do we move? Go from here. I will go for my name. The name I'm writing it here is going to be John A. Smith, which I don't know the person. So I always say this is a fictitious name, John A. Smith, because you know in tutorials like this, it's not right for me to put somebody's real name here and then be using it. So instead of using the lower option that is the dummy text, I rather use more realistic but not really related to anyone text, so that you can easily follow it. Forgetting about the text on the design, focus more on how to create the layouts, the designs before you can put any other thing on it. Then I will see maybe a marketer, that's the title of the person. Now this is together. How do we make them individual phrases? We can go here, order, then go here, break artistic text, or you can simply press Ctrl key, which is there, Ctrl key to break the text. So now I break the text. Now I can move this one along here, and I can move this one. I will use the Times New Roman font family and give it a font size of 9, and give this the same font family but a size of 7. They cannot be equal. Now I drop this one here and I drop that one here too. Now we have a black background. Is it possible to put black here? No. So we will do this, the orange color, and then we place it here. Now marketer, let me check if yes, I spelled it correctly. Now let's maximize it. Let's zoom in and then correctly position. I will have to bold the text. Yes, now that I have this, I have to use my QR code here. Yes, you can add, but you know, it needs to make it more beautiful. Now I have to change the color of the contact details. It's a grouped text, so I have to break it by Control U. If you want to group it, you can do this object. Okay, because it's not grouped now, you highlight, or if you want to group it, then you go to objects, then it's so you can say group, or you can use Control Gen to group it. If you want to break the grouping, you can use Control U to break the grouping. Now let me change the background color. I want to change them simultaneously, so I will press on Shift and then click on them to select, and then press this to convert the color to. Now I have to change this color to this color of the icons to black, and then I will change this to onto this color too, and then make the outline as well. So what do we do now? We move here, get to group it. The reason why I group it is that so that when I'm moving, it doesn't get distorted. I do this and I increase the size a bit to make it stand out from the. So it's a 10. Currently it's 10.86, which is normal. And then this is the contact details. Now I grab my logo here. I'm not going to use the logo here. I'm not going to use the logo on the front page. Now I grab my logo here, and then create a new page for the back side. I will place my logo here and then go and copy the background, the entire background here. Ctrl C, come here and place it. Now I want to do this trick here. I will edit power clip, then push this thing behind. Sorry. This thing, I will have to get rid of this. Correct. The back side will be quite different from the front side, so I need to push it far here. Correct. So I push this here and then finish the. Now I have to give this a color of black and then use the logo. Place the logo here. Black. Now it's gone to the background, so you have to just, it's not missing. You have to go here, order, bring to front, and you're done. Or you can control page up, but I think using this one is the best thing. That is it. I'm done with it. Logo, I'm done with it. So let's go here. Let's go and then export it. I will just double click on the rectangle to press P for one and then get rid of the outline. Then Ctrl C, Ctrl E, sorry, for exporting it. Now we have a very nice little business card. I will do the same thing to the back side of it. Press the select, get rid of the outline, and then Ctrl E to export it. We have to modify this a bit in order not to overwrite the first one. Now we are done. Let's